Hey, what's up? Elly Awesome here, and today I'm unboxing every color of the new iPad mini, the 6th generation released in 2021. So we'll start with the space gray. Still got that nice glide with the box there. I don't know if I could say that. It's got this protective wrap, which I'm just absolutely shocking at removing most of the time. To keep things clean and beautiful, I'm just gonna slide like this, just, ooh. That's a really nice dark gray. I mean, you guys know space gray, but in the light, it's really reflective as you can see, but this is kind of more what it looks like when you're holding it in your hand. That's a really nice device. We've got that magnetic side now that can charge the Apple Pencil 2, which is really cool. Speakers on the bottom with a USB-C charging port, and it looks like speakers on the top for stereo sound. You've also got your fingerprint recognition or your Touch ID, and the volume buttons are at the top, which is really interesting. I'm gonna assume that was because they're expecting people to hold it like this and maybe take photos, but in saying that, if I'm gonna take a photo with the volume button, this would be inconvenient. This feels like a weird placement. I think I'd prefer it on the side still. If I was taking a photo, the volume buttons could be here, do these ones, but I guess you're also just gonna, you know, take a photo with your thumb. Anyway, I look forward to trying this all out soon. All right, we have our documentation, y'all. This is the cellular devices. That threw me off for a second. I forgot they were, which means, you know, you can put a SIM card in there. There are Apple stickers, 2 white ones. You've got your USB-C to USB-C charging cable and your power adapter. This is our Aussie one. It's a thick boy, but you know, got them nice charging speeds, so we're into that. By the way, for short form content and for quick tech bites and looks at the new Apple products, check out my TikTok at EllyAwesomeTech. I hope I see you there. Next, we're gonna open up the iPad mini Starlight. I just love the art on these things. Like, this is just so nice. I really thought that Apple was just renaming, you know, gold, but they're not in this case. Starlight, yeah, it's a really nice, delicate color as opposed to the gray, which is the most stark one out of the bunch. Look at that. Wait, is this just white or like silver rebranded? Stay tuned and subscribe for better angles, close-ups, and a review of the iPad mini. You can also absolutely leave me comments and let me know what else you want to see in regards to these devices, and I will read them. Ooh, I didn't even say what this one is. What is it? Oh, we're opening the pink one now. Here we go. I'm actually really excited for the pink one. Like, pink is a new color for Apple. Here we go. Oh, that is lovely. Look at that. Like, I hope you guys can see the pink. It reflects a bit like a silver, but that is a really nice, gentle pink. It's very subtle and easy on the eyes, and I think a lot of people are gonna love this color. And finally, this is the purple iPad mini. Here we go. Gonna open this one up. Is it killing you guys that I'm not like peeled this wrap off as you would assume it should be peeled? Well, to be honest, I'm leaving the peel for TikTok. Sorry. It's just, you know, you gotta have the peel on the TikTok unboxing. Okay, dang. This purple in this light does not look like the purple iPhone. It's almost like more of a bluish color. Hoping you guys can see that. Now, I think the last thing to do would be to give you a little look at the interface. Just a little sneak peek. You guys gotta come back for more, you know how it goes. I have to say, my first sort of opinion of the iPad mini is that the apps are really small, the icons. But you know, that's the default small icon. I've got mine set to large icons on my iPhone, so that's probably why it's wigging me out. But we only have 4 apps in a row here. They don't stretch out to the entire screen. Obviously you can enlarge them. You just have to go to home, screen, and dock, and then use large app icons. You can enable that. And there we go. I think that makes a big difference. I feel like that's a vibe. But yeah, the 4 apps in a row and not pushing them to the edges. What? In saying that, like, it really doesn't matter because when you're playing games on here, the app is obviously gonna go full screen. And this just looks stunning. The Liquid Retina display is incredible. Oh my gosh, darn it, I love Fruit Ninja. Are you guys still playing this game? It's a classic. Subscribe for more and I'll see you next time.